na ang reading namin pareho nung OGCC ay yung subject to the approval of the President refers to almost all of their actions. Kasi nga ano naman sila, attached naman sila sa Office of the President, arm sila ng Office of the President. So, ang spirit doon, hindi lang yung letter, but spirit captured by the letter, ang sabi, keep the President informed all the time.
Sir, yung sa PCSO, ang laki ng hawak po nilang pera, they can decide na gawin pa premyo, 500
Correct.
billion. Sino nagbabantay sa kanila, sir? Sino kung check kung tama o hindi ganyan na ginagawa?
Precisely. At saka dapat may imprimatur nga ng presidente. O, yun na nga. But they have been skipping this procedure at ginagamit nila is an old ES opinion na hindi pa applicable because sa context ng opinion, it's about